I'm a physician, and this is what I do for a living. And whenever there is a need, I come to help.
Checking on y'all. I need to film. All right.
Thank you very much.
Well, what do you know?
I'm pretty sure my dad's watching.
Yeah, I was mainly concerned about my medicine. I hadn't taken it in about 8 days.
What kind
High
of
blood pressure, lisinopril.
Those bags for people, you know what I mean?
Absolutely. Houstonians, Texans are generous people, gracious people, and we like to help others in need. And so that's what you're seeing here today, just people stepping up and, you know, and helping these people that have been displaced. That's so unfortunate. But, you know what, that's what it's all about, being a blessing to each other and, you know, not looking at politics or race or denomination or faith. And you know what, we're human beings together, and we're here to be a blessing to people. Some of the people I know work for us here in the ministry. They were in their house and the bayou started rising, and you know, it's 3 feet and they're 2 or 3 feet up there, and they have babies and they got to carry their babies. There's nowhere to go, and they're calling saying, we can't get on our roof. There's no way. And so, you know, we're sitting there helpless. A friend of ours somehow got a boat over to them, but you know, stuff like that. And I think, you know, how many people are like that, but they're elderly or they don't have a friend they can call on. So it's just things like that.
We have
You know, our church doors have always been open. I think at the time, early on, this building was on the verge of flooding. You know, if we had big floodgates and it came real close to, so you know, we'd have staff here at the right time. We work with the city all the time. When the city said we need you as a shelter, we said, hey, we can be a shelter. But you know, we do have to protect our staff. There was nobody in the building except a couple of security guys. But the notion that we're going to turn people away, or we're, you know, that's just such a false narrative of people that don't like us to begin with. Hey, we've been here for 60 years, my parents anyway, and we're here to help people.